If you are thinking about starting an air duct cleaning business or adding air duct cleaning services to your existing business, you have found the right system. Let's first look at why you should clean air ducts. Income opportunity is the reason you are watching this video to begin with. Air duct cleaning is becoming more and more popular with home and business owners. In fact, the EPA recognizes that indoor air pollution is an environmental health risk. So there is a demand for this service. The demand is so great, many companies specialize in only air duct cleaning services. However, if you are adding air duct cleaning services to your existing cleaning or HVAC business, you can quickly see the added revenue potential to your company. Remember, if you are not adding air duct cleaning services to your offering, be sure your competition is going to. Fortunately, the Spinvax Professional Air Duct Cleaning System is an affordable and efficient way to clean residential and light commercial air ducts. Why spend tons of money for a weaker and less efficient system when the Spinvax can meet all your professional cleaning needs with technologies unmatched by other air duct cleaning systems? The Spinvax makes cleaning air ducts easy and efficient. The Spinvax uses a high-powered vacuum and a rotary flexible cable that spins a FlexStend brush throughout the ductwork to dislodge dirt, pollen, dander, dust, and other debris. The reverse sweeping action carries the contaminants back to the vacuum hose for removal. The Spinvax is unique in its cleaning ability for a couple reasons. Separation of the cable and brush from the vacuum hose. Many air duct cleaning systems on the market connect a brush to the end of the vacuum hose. This type of setup can cause multiple problems. Remember, most ductwork has twists and turns throughout the system. Good luck maneuvering a vacuum hose through this duct. The Spinvax uses a separate rotary flexible cable to spin the brush throughout the duct. A vacuum hose follows behind. Once the brush is all the way to the end of the duct, the cleaning technician reverse spins to create a reverse sweeping action that sweeps the contaminants back to the vacuum hose for extraction. This type of separation setup allows for greater maneuverability and cleaning efficiency. Another reason the Spinvax system is unique is because of FlexStend brush technology. The Spinvax uses FlexStend brush technology to ensure increased dirt and debris removal during the duct cleaning process. The Spinvax system comes with 3 size FlexStend brushes: Standard, for ducts 4 to 18 inches in size; Large, for ducts 18 to 24 inches in size; and Dryer Vent, for dryer vent ducts 3 to 4 inches in size. These brushes have precision angled brush alignment to create a reverse sweeping action to improve the debris removal and extraction process. These FlexStend brushes automatically self-adjust to the proper size of the duct. Plus, the dual bristle design on the standard and large brushes helps stabilize the positioning of the brush throughout the duct. As you can see in this clear duct, the standard size brush automatically adjusts to the size of the duct being cleaned. Notice the reverse sweeping action carry the dirt and debris back toward the vacuum hose. The FlexStend brushes also use a softer filament for safe cleaning no matter what kind of ductwork you encounter. As you can see, the Spinvax incorporates unique technologies that other systems do not match. The end result is a more efficient and thorough cleaning. But wait, there's more! Are you ready to make even more money? Dryer vent cleaning is a necessity to many homeowners, condo associations, and building managers. Why do other systems require you to purchase additional equipment to clean dryer vents? The Spinvax package already comes with all the needed attachments. The included dryer vent FlexStend brush makes cleaning dryer vents a simple job. With the Spinvax system, you are ready to meet all your customers' needs. The Spinvax offers the professional air duct cleaner everything needed for air duct and dryer vent cleaning. When you combine the great price and superior technology you get with the Spinvax air duct cleaning system, you have found the right system for your company. Join the many professional air duct cleaners over the years that have made the Spinvax their choice for air duct cleaning equipment. More information, pricing, and additional videos can be found on our website at www.cleancraft.com.